The question you may be asking is, why ventilate my property? Good ventilation helps to create a healthier environment for you and your family. Common problems in a typical home without ventilation include moisture in the air leading to condensation and mold growth. House dust mites flourish in damp conditions, which can lead to asthma and other health issues. Construction materials, paint, cleaning products and carpet all used in the home give off harmful volatile organic compounds. Everyday odours from cooking, domestic pets, our bodies, toilets, tobacco all circulate around the home. So, what are the options? Extractor fans, with easy installation coupled with the ability to remove pollutants quickly. The main disadvantages are they waste heat, require trickle vents, are noisy and create drafts. Passive stack ventilation avoids using electric fans by employing a stack effect to draw warm air up from wet rooms through ducts. The main disadvantages include the lack of pressure differences affecting airflow, leading to the opening of windows or an additional central fan during warmer weather. This system also wastes heat and may cause drafts. Central extract ventilation, or MEV, where contaminated air is removed from the wet rooms and replaced with fresh air from trickle vents, together with air leakage in the habitable rooms. The main disadvantages are that the system wastes heat as well as creating drafts and requires trickle vents. The fourth option is the mechanical ventilation with heat recovery system, MVHR, providing the ideal ventilation solution. Contaminated stale air is continuously replaced by warmed, fresh, filtered air. In the summer months, a bypass system allows fresh, filtered air to be introduced without being heated by the heat exchange. A highly efficient heat exchanger is used to recover 90% of the stale air's heat and transfers it to the incoming air, making the mechanical ventilation with heat recovery system the most efficient way to ventilate. So, if you would like to lower your carbon footprint, have a constant flow of fresh air, control condensation, increase your security, and benefit from less noise, then perhaps a heat recovery system is the solution for you. The added benefits include a likely rise in the value of your property and reduction in running costs. There are even more ways in which you can increase efficiency. Ground Air Heat Exchange (GAHX) systems use the constant ground temperature to stabilise the air being brought into the MVHR system. Typically, a 40-metre long run of pipe is installed approximately 1.5 metres below the surface, which either preheats the air in winter or pre-cools the air in summer. Heating and cooling modules can also be added to the MVHR system to either preheat the air in winter or cool down the air in summer, but these usually require external condensers, similar to those used by air conditioning systems. The key considerations when planning your system. Start as early as possible, the best way to ensure a smooth integration. Consider the system location. Think about where it will be located within your property, as planning regulations might dictate that certain conditions are met. Know the rules. It is vital that you know your legal obligations that might affect your self-build. Strive for airtight and energy efficiency. Your biggest potential source of heat loss is your ventilation system. And choose carefully. It's worth remembering that an experienced and reputable team won't just design and install the very best system for your particular brief, they'll also project manage the process and ensure that the job is completed on time and on budget.